What's up, everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to replace the battery in this Volkswagen flip key remote fob. So this Volkswagen key fob is going to be for the VW vehicles that do not have a push button start ignition, and it's going to use replacement battery CR2025. I'll put a link in the description box of this video to where you can purchase these batteries if you're in need. The other thing we're going to be using is a small flathead screwdriver. So if we grab our fob, first thing we want to do is go ahead and flip the key blade out. Now if we hold it with the buttons facing down and we take a look kind of in this area where the key blade tucks into when it's folded down, what we're going to do is take our screwdriver, put it in that slot, and then I'm going to pry up like that. And when I do that, it's going to pop this back cover up. So put your screwdriver in there, make sure it's all the way in, and then pry up, and it'll pop that back cover up. Go ahead and pull that cover all the way off, and then we see our battery right here. And the reason why I said you grab a small flathead screwdriver is we want one that'll fit in this little slot right here. What that'll do is if you get it in that slot, it'll allow you to get under the edge of the battery and get it out of that holder. Now we'll grab our new battery, and we want to make sure that we're installing that with the plus side up like that. And you need to tuck this corner in first like this, and then it'll snap down into place. And then we'll grab this little cover, and you need to start this side in first like that, and then snap it the rest of the way on. And that's it. If you have any questions, please let me know. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.